Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a video on a box I haven't had for quite a while now, and I have missed it because I absolutely love it, and that is Twisted Allure. So if you haven't seen me do one of these before, it's kind of like a spooky, creepy, horror, Halloween kind of bath and shower company. They do hand soaps, they do body washes, they do whip scrubs, they do hand sanitizers, they do moisturizers, they do body sprays, anything that you can think of that is like body, bath, shower related, they probably do it, and they are amazing at it. Now this is an American box and I am from the UK. On one of my last videos I did of this, someone commented saying that I was lying about the cost of it. That makes no sense, I would never do that. The reason is it's changed price since the last video, so it's now $65. I'm just gonna throw it out there, the postage to the UK is very, very expensive. I know that some people love this stuff, this is what they're into, some people collect these things, and if you have that spare money, then this is something that you're gonna love. For those of you that aren't that into that kind of stuff, then obviously this is a very expensive box. But with that out of the way, we are just going to open this. So I haven't seen what is in here yet, and I don't know what month box this is. I don't know if this is the January box or not. Hopefully the little card will tell me. So it's purple, which I'm very excited about. And the theme this month is the spooky kooky. So cute, little Addams Family theme. Absolutely love it. Love the little family portraits that we have there. So it is the January box. It says this is like a little spoiler card, but we're not going to go through that because I don't want to know, I just want to look. But it is the January box though, so the spooky kooky. We have our little business card for Twisted Allure, so creepy bath products, and then that is information there. I will put it down below in the description as well. And then we have our little colourful worms on top. The first thing that seems to be kind of poking out is in a bag. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is a hand soap. If you know me and if you watch me usually, you will know I love grape things. And this one is grape airhead candy scented. So excited. So it's called Scary Thing. And obviously we've got a little thing design on there. Very cute with it being a hand soap. I am so excited to look at this. I actually thought the bottle was black, but the stuff inside it is black. The bottle is clear, so that is really cool. I'm just gonna unscrew it because I don't want to pump any out in here where I don't have any water to actually wash my hands. It smells so good. Absolutely love it. Grape is my favorite scent, so I knew that I was gonna love it. But that is amazing. I love that it's black. I think that's really cool. So that is our Scary Thing hand soap. The next thing I'm seeing is a bath bomb. He's looking very creepy through that bubble wrap. This is a Festive bath bomb as far as I can see. Yep, it's called Festive Frights. It's very bright on the camera, but it does look just like him, which is really creepy. It's half purple, half white, and it's cedar leaf, black pepper, and bergamot, apparently. I can't smell it massively through the plastic, but what I can smell kind of seems a little bit more like a masculine sort of scent that you would say generally is a masculine kind of scent. Still really nice though, but I'm more of like a sweet and fruity kind of person. I love like candy floss and marshmallow and grape and things like that. But it does still smell really good. So that is our Festive Frights bath bomb. And then next we have a sugar scrub. So this one is called Family of Freaks, and it does have their really cute little portraits around the sides, and the scent for this one is black cherry, which again I am so excited about. I love Twisted Allure so much. Smells amazing. If I could get a spoon and eat it, I would. It smells just like black cherry. Amazing. So that is our Family of Freaks Sugar Scrub. Then next we have a bubble bath. So this one is called the Spooky Kooky. Again, we have their little pictures all around it. So cute. And it says live, die, haunt, and the scent for this one is pomegranate and mandarin oranges, which sounds amazing. I love pomegranates. I don't really have them that often though. I feel like they're like effort to eat, but let's have a see if I can peel this off. Oh, I've got it everywhere. Oh, that is amazing as well. Very kind of summery, I would say. Like a real happy summer fruity smell. It just smells fresh and fruity and like you're going to the beach or something. I don't know, love that one though. So that is our little bubble bath. And then the last item we have, which is a huge one, is a massive whipped soap. This one is called Death Obsessed, and it's got Wednesday holding a little head over here. And the scent for this one is blueberry cobbler pie. Again, sounds incredible. It's like a very light purpley pink and grey swirled colour in there. I love how these open because they have a little click up lid at the top, so when you're in the shower it's really easy to open them. Looks super pretty. And smells, oh my gosh, amazing. I wish we had smell-o-vision so you could smell these, because honestly, it's not even like they're mixed with bath products or anything. It's literally like there's a blueberry pie right in front of me. It smells so good. Amazing. I have nothing else to say. Actually love it. I think this might have been maybe my favourite scent range in a box that they have ever done. Blueberry cobbler pie, incredible. Grape, incredible. Cherry, incredible. And the pomegranate and mandarin, incredible. I think the only one that wasn't my absolute favourite was the cedar leaf, black pepper and bergamot. But even that is so good, it's just because it's not my kind of thing. So absolutely love these. I will quickly show you them all again so you can see them all at once. So we had the Death Obsessed whipped soap, which was blueberry cobbler pie. We had the Spooky Kooky bubble bath, which was pomegranate and mandarin oranges. We had the Family of Freaks sugar scrub, which is black cherry. We had the Scary Thing hand soap, which is a great airhead candy. And then finally we had the Festive Frights bath bomb, which is cedar leaf, black pepper and bergamot. So all of these 5 things in the Twisted Allure January Spooky Kooky box. Absolutely love it. Love the colour scheme, my favourite colours. Loved the scents, my favourite scents. I literally feel like this box was made for me, even though it was just a mystery box. I love it. So you will have to let me know what you thought of this one down below. If you got it, which was your favourite thing? I'm gonna have to say the grape for me, just because it's grape obviously, but I absolutely loved everything. So I will put all of the information for them down below in case you want to go and check them out. They don't just do the mystery boxes, they do just sell singular items, so if you just want to buy one thing then you can do. But yeah, I hope you liked the video anyway. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.